Welcome to Learn and Grow with Brinu, and please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So the today's topic is discovering the Earth's atmospheric structure. So our planet's atmosphere is a complex system which plays a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth. Let's explore this composition, layers, and functions. So watch this video till the end and do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So the layer of our atmosphere. So the first one is troposphere, the second is stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. So what is troposphere over here is the lowest layer where weather occurs and air pollution concentrates. About 75% of the atmosphere's mass is contained in this layer. This is the most lower or the first layer of the atmosphere starting from the land. Okay. The second is stratosphere. This is above the troposphere. The second layer where the protective ozone layer is found, home to high-flying airplanes and the most beautiful sunsets and sunrises. You can see over here in the diagram. The first one is troposphere, then stratosphere, third one is mesosphere, then thermosphere, and then exosphere, and then the atmosphere. So the first one is troposphere, second is stratosphere, and the third one is mesosphere, the third layer where most meteors burns up in the atmosphere. This layer also plays a role in satellite communication. Whichever the communication takes place between the satellites and whatever the satellites communication happens, which happens within this layer, that is mesosphere. This is above the stratosphere. Then the next atmosphere layer is thermosphere. This is the topmost, not the topmost but second most. Okay, topmost. The outer layer where the northern and the southern lights occurs. You know, you can hear the aurora lights. You have heard this term in northern and southern hemisphere. Poles, I think. This layer is also home to the International Space Station. Our International Space Station is located over here. Okay. So the troposphere, then stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. You can check all the details about these layers on my other video. So you can see this detailed video on that also. So what are the importance of we are understanding the importance of understanding the atmosphere for UPSC prelims and mains. What is the significance of this layer is environmental science and ecology. Understanding the atmosphere is critical to this subject, which are important for several UPSC exams. Second is geography and geology. This is very important topic in this as well. General knowledge and awareness. Questions on atmospheric structure and events are often included in current events segments of UPSC exams. Some previous years UPSC questions related to atmospheric structures are like which layer of the atmosphere has the highest concentration of ozone? The answer is stratosphere. Which gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere by volume? The answer is nitrogen, oxygen. And what causes the northern and southern lights? So the answer is charged particles in the thermosphere interacting with Earth's magnetic field, right? Now, implications of atmospheric changes on climate. So what are the implications on atmospheric changes on climate? So obviously global warming, ozone depletion, and acid rain. Global warming, how it implicates rising levels of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are causing the Earth's temperature to rise, leading to changes in climate patterns and sea levels. Ozone depletion, human activities have led to a decline in ozone layers, which protects the Earth from harmful UV radiations. This poses a threat to human and animal health. The third one is acid rain. Emission from factories and vehicles release nitrogen and sulfur, which combine with moisture in the atmosphere to create acid rain. This affects soil fertility and aquatic life. Challenges in preserving and mitigating atmospheric degradation, right? So we can use renewable energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can reduce emissions and mitigate climate change. The second is carbon capture and storage. This technology aims to capture carbon dioxide before it is released into the atmosphere and store it underground. The third is environmental policy and legislation. Government regulators can help promote sustainable practice, limit harmful emissions, and ensure accountability for companies like Paris Agreement and that kind of agreements. Conclusion and key takeaways that the atmosphere is a complex system. Understanding its composition and function is crucial for a variety of disciplines and exams. Climate change requires immediate action. Our atmosphere is being threatened by human activities and action is needed to preserve it for future generations. We have the tools to make a difference. Renewable energy, innovative technology, and strong policies can help mitigate the effect of climate change and preserve our atmosphere. So thank you for watching, and please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.